Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to another video. Today, we're gonna have some fun on this message here that I have for you. So thank you for joining me today and welcome. If you haven't yet, hit that red subscribe button so you can receive more videos just like this. Now, today's topic, we're gonna talk about this. This is something I've been talking about lately, how you can make money even if you're brand new. If you're newbie, if you know nothing about internet marketing, you don't know nothing about making money online and how you can do that, because there's several ways now you can do that. So my name is Adam Shelton and let's go ahead and dive in. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this message, because this message is all about you. So how can you do it? How can you make money if you're a new person, if you just started out, or if you never made any type of money before? Well, the biggest thing about how you can do that is, the biggest thing how you can do that is about a program. If you're in some type of program that can teach you how to make money online, then that is ways you can definitely do that. Now, how can you do that? Well, right below this video, I do have a program for you. You can go ahead and sign up and we'll teach you how to market and to build a business online, a profitable business online. That's the thing, you need the training to know how to do that, and we have that. We have the training and we have the guidance for you. If you're brand new to this space, if you're a new person to this space, we definitely have the training and the guidance from you. So you're asking, how do you do it? Well, there's other ways you can do that. I was speaking about this about a couple of days ago, of where that now these days, if you've got products, if you got like an Amazon account, which is free to sign up, you can sell stuff on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and people are doing it in droves. You know, that's another way. Another way is actually starting a YouTube channel and doing something in a niche that people are searching for. So a lot of people are searching for to make money online, obviously, different ways you can do that. But also people are also searching for, how to lose weight, how to gain strength. So a lot of people are doing that. So you can actually do videos and have a program that you can guide people to sign up and go ahead and start losing weight, getting strength. So that's one of the main things out there, is the three main niches. To make money online niche. The second one, it's not really any type of order. Make money online niche. There's also the dating and relationship niche, because people are always looking for a relationship. Somebody's looking for a relationship. Not everybody, but some people are. And of course, the health and wellness, like we were talking about. So you could do a YouTube channel over that. You can do a YouTube channel over a particular passion. I've got a friend that actually started a YouTube channel over video games, and he sells the video games from Amazon. So he sells the video games from Amazon because he's an affiliate for Amazon. He signed up for free, which you can go ahead and do. And he basically plays video games and tells people what the game is all about. And then they go ahead and buy the game that he's playing, which is really, really cool. So you have to be creative, but these days now you can almost make money almost different type of things these days. But if you're just starting out, I advise you maybe go through some training, some guidance, some mentorship, and I have that right below this video. Right below this video, I do have that training for you, because you want to be able to do it the correct way. You want to be able to be guided to it, right? Because this is a step-by-step process, guiding you the way, making money, going ahead and having success for you and your business, because that's what you want in 2020, right? You want to be able to add traction, you want to be able to add guidance, and you want to have results in your life in 2020. Because when I first started out, I was lost. I didn't know where to go. I saw all these YouTube channels and I'll see people saying, make money online yesterday, you can make $10,000 a month. I'm not saying you can do that. I'm not saying you can do that. So results are not typical. I'm not saying that. But to get started, I believe this program right below this video can really help you, because it guides you step by step of the way of the entire process. That's what I really like about it. The step-by-step process that it definitely has, and I think that you will like it as well. So if you click on that link below, you'll go ahead and have success for the first time. For the first time, if you're needing a guidance from it, because I'm telling you, we're just early in 2020, and if you got goals, and especially making money online goals, you definitely want to go ahead and start putting that as a priority, because it is time to go ahead and do it. Hey, I even got college students signing up on the program. I talked to a couple of college students a couple of days ago, and they signed up on the program. But they're like, you know what? I'm 19, I'm 20 years old. How do I sign up? How do you sign up? Click on the link below to get started. You'll go ahead and have success for yourself. Click on the link below. I'll see you on the next video. I can't wait to do videos like this at a beach near you. I'll see you in the next video.